Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Good, because now we have Pringles pizza. I wonder if it actually tastes like pizza. Do you like Pringles?
Yes.
Do you like pizza?
Yes.
We have Pringles pizza. Try one.
I would try two.
I have never done this. Oh God! Oh God!
Very good.
Forget about the duck face. Do we like the pizza flavor?
Yes.
Yeah, I do too.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good.
Never done that before.
I learned it today.
Me too. She has a daughter that taught us.
Harrison Ford.
Harrison Ford did not teach us this.
No, that's your.
Let me show you how to do this, kid. Watch. You see, I look like a duck. All right, that's it. That's all I have.
No, you have a lot. See, look, you do more.
Oh, I got a stack up there.
Yeah. So carry on.
All right.